All right, I'm gonna do a little quick update on the boat. It's not 100% complete. Did take it out on the water a couple this weekend, yesterday, and last weekend. Motor ran fairly good. Still need to do a little bit of adjusting, I believe. But runs good. Runs real good. 42 mile an hour, I believe. Yeah, 42. Had to pick the motor up. I'd pick it up about 2 inches. Yeah, the cavitation plate was below the bottom of the boat. Yeah, so I had a lot of excess water spray coming up. So I took care of that. It's all good to go. Step inside here, brush my feet off. You can see I got the carpet down, ski well down, I got some seats. It's like I said, I need to do some more work. I need to jump on old Amazon, buy a radio. I need to unhook the battery too. Usually unhook my battery. And I gotta order some more foam to do these 2 seats. I got the plywood. You can see my upholstery work turned out okay. I need to get some snaps. Oh, let me put these back up here. Don't look too bad. It's okay. It's okay. Get some speakers. I got a wet sand the whole boat. I got to get me a buffer. I need to do a wet sand of the whole boat and then buff it down and take care of all this nasty crud from working on it. I need to put some accent pieces here. I want to do something a little, put some cushions in the seats. Another radio. We got to put in a board in here with some carpet right there like that. I need to finish that up, finish it all and get it bolted in. I need to put in some new little switch panels here and here. I want to add some lights up under the inside here in there, so at night and evening time when it gets a little dark, we can kind of see inside the boat. I need to unhook it and let the gas run out the carburetors. It's nice, man. I like it. Nice and comfortable. Got a lot of room. I put a cooler right here. I'm glad I put this little hatch in. I'll show you. Yeah, let me see here. So before it did not have this. So I'm so glad I put this little hatch in. Fuel gauge, sending unit. I need to get another one of those. I believe that one is old, is however old. And then this little fitting right here is a check valve. It did not work. It was all crudded up, tried to make it work. So I just had to take the ball out and the spring out so I could get gas to my motor because I wasn't getting no gas. I got another one of those in the mail. It should be here Monday. We'll put that piece in. I don't know, I guess it's to keep the gas from going back in the tank. If it sits for a long time, you don't have to pump the bowl. We'll stick that in. And I need to get another one of these, a bigger one, to go back here, because that isn't big enough to do diddly squat. I need to get some more drain plug through hole fittings put in there. The back side's kind of gone. I need to fix that. I thought about getting a jack plate and putting it on the motor, but that's way down the road. Snaps for the seats, cushions for the seats, foam, make new cushions. I need to get some new handles, 2 handles there, another one there, and I might put some more back here in the back, and a bimini top. Bimini top I need because it gets hot. And then we've got this boat here. Haven't bought that boat. It's over here at my house stored. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Nice little boat. It's clean. Motor hadn't ran in, I don't know, since 2014. So it's a Johnson as well, 48 SPL. Nice little fishing boat. So yeah, got some more projects coming. I'm gonna start throwing some content out. I know I'm gonna put some content out, but I ain't much a camera guy. So anyhow, if you really want to watch a boat rebuild. Go over to that, what's his name? I don't know his name, but Advance. He's doing some boat rebuilds, STV or STT or something. Rebuild, transom rebuild. I'll try to add a link in the description. Really got a good channel. Just putting a 2.5 Merc on the back of it. Jack plate. All right. I'm here in my shop, trying to get my shop cleaned up. It is nasty from all the work. Getting ready to go do a little bit of camping next few weeks. This is the camper y'all have seen on my channel. It's doing okay. It's been in storage up under the shed. Thing looks okay. Add a little light around there so we could see at night. So trying to get this cleaned up, which really don't need a whole lot of cleaning up. Pretty good shape. You know, that's about it. It's hot, very hot. Need to cut the grass. You hold it down. Have a good weekend.